In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive with your Yahoo account. This process can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. Now, first things first, did you know that Google allows you to create a Google account using a non-Google email, such as Yahoo? This is a fantastic feature because it opens the door for you to use a variety of Google services like Drive, Docs, and so much more, all with an email address you might already be using daily. These services are incredibly handy for work, school, or personal projects, and integrating them with your existing Yahoo email can make managing them so much smoother. To get started, you'll need to visit the Google Sign Up page. You can easily find this by doing a quick online search for Google Sign Up, and you should see it right at the top of the results. Once you're there, you might notice that Google typically encourages you to create a new Gmail address. But in this case, you want to look for the option that reads, "Use my current email address instead." Clicking on this option is key to the next steps, as it will allow you to use your Yahoo email as your primary account identifier with Google. After selecting "Use my current email address instead," you'll be prompted to input your Yahoo email address. Type it in carefully to avoid any typos that could cause issues later on. Next, you'll need to set a secure password. Remember, it's important to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. This step ensures that your account is well protected. As you proceed, the sign-up process will guide you through various steps. You may be asked to verify your email, set up security questions, or connect your account to a phone number for added security. These are all standard procedures to ensure that your new Google account is secure and that you can easily recover it if necessary. Once you've completed all the sign-up steps, you're ready to access Google Drive. Simply navigate to the Google Drive website. When prompted to log in, enter your Yahoo email and the password you just created. Voila! You now have access to Google Drive using your Yahoo email account. As you start exploring, you'll find Google Drive offers a wide array of tools, from storing files and creating shared documents to collaborating with others in real time. Having easy access to these features through your Yahoo email is both convenient and efficient. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've unlocked the potential of Google Drive with your Yahoo account. Whether you're familiar with Google services or just starting, this integration can make your digital life a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.